Finding the right co-founder will make or break your business. In this episode, I'm going to tell you how I found the right co-founder for my business. At first, I worked with an agency to create a dating app called Blind. But I learned that working with an agency wasn't the best way to build other SaaS products. It was expensive and I needed way more flexibility. So I decided to look for a technical co-founder who could help me build something great. One day, a friend of mine needed to attend an event for young entrepreneurs in Antwerp for his studies. But he really didn't want to go. He asked me to go in his place and make a summary of the event. So I immediately agreed, thinking it could be a great opportunity. When I got there, I talked to the organizer. A great tip, by the way, because they always know everyone at the event. I explained my situation and asked if there was anyone there who could help me. He introduced me to someone who would later become my co-founder. We clicked right away. We talked for 2 or 3 hours about entrepreneurship, our goals, and what we wanted to achieve. We realized immediately we were on the same page and decided to start working together. Sometimes the right co-founder comes from unexpected places. Be open, network, and take every chance to meet potential partners. Finding the right co-founder is about more than just technical skills. When I met my co-founder, I wasn't just looking for someone that could code. I was looking for someone reliable, someone who shared my passion and drive. We both wanted to build something great and we were willing to put in the work. What should you look for in a co-founder? When looking for a co-founder, find someone who is reliable, shares your vision, and has the skills that complement yours. These qualities are crucial for a successful partnership. Even if you find someone with the right skills, what if your values don't align? Make sure your co-founder shares your values, vision, and work ethic. So where do you find the right co-founder and how do you know they're the one? I didn't find my co-founder overnight. It took networking, going to events, and asking around. When you're searching for a co-founder, don't be afraid to talk to people. Attend events and put yourselves there. When you meet someone promising, spend time getting to know them. Work on small projects together or have deep conversations about your goals and visions. Thanks for watching. If you find this episode helpful, be sure to check out the next one, where I will share how we funded the idea of TechLayer.